Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Power on your new iPhone and follow the setup screens until you reach apps data. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network on 4 GHz or 5 GHz before restoring. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in during the restore process. When prompted, sign in with your Apple ID using your email and password. Enable two-factor authentication if required to continue. Keep the phone awake and unlocked until the initial setup completes successfully. After signing in, tap Restore from Icloud Backup and wait for the backup list. Review each backup by date and size in GB to pick the right one. Verify the backup includes the apps, photos, and settings you expect to restore. If the backup needs a newer iOS version, update now to match the backup requirements. Confirm any additional prompts to continue restoring. The restore begins downloading data and settings to your device automatically after confirmation. Monitor the restore progress on the setup screen until it shows 100% complete. Keep the device connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in until restore reaches 100% to avoid interruptions. Understand apps and photos download later in the background and may take hours for large backups over multiple GB. Open key apps and sign in when prompted to finish personalization and sync cloud data. Check settings for failed downloads and reboot if any install.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.